Soundcore sent me their latest Sports X10 with active noise cancelling. I'm gonna quickly unbox it and show you what it sounds like using my custom designed recording rig. Volume up, one press. Ear hooks. The ear hooks provide a lot of stability and they stay in ear securely, and it's very unlikely to lose it. By the way, I'm recording using Voice Memo app on my iPhone 13 and the audio is synced up with the video. You're listening through the microphones of X10. IPX7 waterproof. Will they work after it's fully submerged in water? Active noise cancelling, a lot of bass, 8-hour playtime and 30 hours with the included charging case. Charging cable and 4 ear tips. It has a pretty unique case design. One press to open and it's connected magnetically, I think. I don't have to press it to open and close. Charging contacts. With the included USB-C cable, let's see the charging speed. Yeah, about 2.6 watts. Battery indicator. The pairing starts as soon as I open the case. Soundcore Sport X10 and is connected. 100% battery life. Earbuds has a button on each side which controls play, pause, volume, next, and Siri. The hooks goes up and folds down when you're putting them back in the charging case. This is the right side. It won't fit, so I'm gonna pick a smaller ear tip. See if this will help. Okay, great. Okay, I think it works a lot better with a smaller tip. And I got an excellent seal. Now let's do this. Play. Double click. Volume up, one press. Volume down. Pause. Double press. Play. I believe this is next. Double press. The next song. But I don't know how to go to the previous song. Doesn't look like there's an option to do this. This is the user manual. You may read it. Yeah, it looks like it still works. All the controls work. Right, thank you very much for watching.